Hi, today I'm showing you a new React video. Thank you, please see it.
Hey guys, it's me Bethany, and today I will be showing you how to create your very own Jagwear Gymnastics Leotard, and I'll also be showing you how to measure yourself so it can fit you. Now let's go through how to design a gymnastics leotard. So I'm here on the Jagwear website and I'm going to be designing my very own gymnastics leotard. So there are a few types of leotards that you can design. There are training leos, competitive leos, and boys leotards. So I am not in need of a competitive leotard because I am not competitive and I would like to design a training one. But if you are a boy, go to the boys section. But I'm a girl, so let's go to training leos. Here you can choose your shape of your leotard or type of leotard, and they also have shorts and tops. But personally, my favorite is the Katie, which is $48. Now we're going to select our fabric. So fabric A is the body part. So all these different fabrics have different prices, and I once made one that had this pattern, and you might have seen me wear it in some of my videos. But out of all these different fabrics, for this leotard, I chose this fabric right up here. And now my total is $68. And it's a really cool pattern, and it's like, I don't know, it's very cool. And now, if we click this, we get to choose the trim color, so what goes around the trim of the leotard. Personally, I don't like to do patterns on this one. I like to do plain colors. So I go to solid nylon, and I choose black because I think that one matches the best. And here's my leotard. For the training leotards, there are no rhinestones available. And my total is $68.99. This is in Canadian dollars, so if you live in the US, this will be much cheaper for you. And there's one more thing, it actually has a thing of how to measure. So yeah, that's it. Ooh, pretty. It's so pretty. Whoa, that's so cool. Look at that. It comes with a scrunchie, which goes on your face. Now it's time to measure ourselves. This is how you measure yourself for a Jagwear leotard. The first measurement you need to make is the girth measurement. The girth measurement is your shoulder down through the middle and back up to the same shoulder. My girth measurement is 47 inches. The next measurement is your chest, and it just goes around the widest part of your chest. My measurement for my chest is 26 inches. The next measurement is you put the measuring tape around the nearest part of your waist. The nearest part of my chest and waist area is 24 inches. The next measurement is the hips, and it goes around the widest part of your hips. Pretty self-explanatory. My hips measurement is 28 inches. And the last measurement is your sleeve length if you choose to make a long sleeve leotard. It's measured from the top of your shoulder to how far you want it down. My length is 17 inches for right here. And that's how you measure yourself for a Jagwear leotard. I love designing my very own gymnastics leotard, and this is awesome. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.